Hi there, I'm Kathy, and welcome back to the Holistic Living series here on the Grace Over Guilt channel. If you've ever found yourself wondering, why can't I keep up with the routines that used to work for me? Or why do I feel like I'm starting from scratch again? This video is for you. Today, we're talking about seasons, the emotional, physical, and spiritual shifts that change how we show up for ourselves. Because holistic living isn't a rigid checklist, it's a rhythm, and rhythms change. Let's be real. We all go through seasons, a season of hustle, a season of heartbreak, of rest, a season of growth, of caregiving, a season of healing. In one season, waking up early and journaling might feel amazing. In another, just getting out of bed and drinking water might feel like a victory. Neither is wrong, neither is better. Your wellness doesn't have to look the same every single day or every single season. And honestly, it shouldn't. The habits that nourished you last year might not serve you today. And that doesn't mean you failed. It means you're evolving. Maybe you used to go to the gym 4 times a week, but now a walk around the block feels more aligned. Maybe you once journaled every morning, but now you connect with yourself through prayer or music or silence. Maybe you used to have more space for meal prepping and meditation, and now survival mode means doing the best that you can with what you have. You're not doing it wrong. You're doing what's needed for this version of you, and that's what matters. So here's the truth: self care that doesn't include grace isn't really care, it's just pressure in disguise. Holistic living is about checking in with your actual needs, not clinging to an idealized version of your past or future self. So, if you're in a season of grief or transition, or just plain exhaustion, simplify. If you're in a season of energy and motivation, expand. Let your practices breathe with you. Here are a few simple questions you can ask yourself to realign your holistic living practice with where you are today. What's one area of my life that needs extra care right now? Body, mind, heart, or spirit? What feels nourishing to me in this season? Not what used to work, but what actually feels supportive now. Where can I release the pressure to do it all and instead choose one thing that helps me feel grounded? Take a moment, breathe, and know your wellness gets to evolve and grow with you. If you're pivoting, adjusting, or simplifying your wellness practices right now, I want you to hear this. You're not starting from scratch, you're starting from experience. Every season teaches us something. Every adjustment is an act of self awareness. Every step, even the small ones, is sacred. So be gentle with yourself as you evolve. Holistic living isn't about getting it perfect, it's about staying connected to what matters most, your whole self. What's one way your wellness routine has changed recently? And what has that shift taught you? Drop it in the comments and let's reflect together. And if you want support in embracing this season of life with more grace, visit us at graceoverguilt.org for tools, resources, and programs to guide you. And as always, you are seen, you are loved, you are not alone. Until next time, take care of your heart and take care of each other.